to our class Big Data Analytics. Today's topic Features of Hadoop. The key features which keep Hadoop more reliable to use and industry favorite and most powerful. So these are all the features on the screen. You can see open source, reliability, economic, scalability, flexibility, easy to use, data location, high availability, distributed, fault tolerance. So these are all the features of Hadoop. Now coming to open source, Hadoop is open source because this is open source. This is available. That source code is available for anyone to understand. Makes some modification, like you be able to make modifications as per their industry requirements. Based on your industry, you be able to make modifications so that you can make changes and it works good at your industry. Fault tolerance. Hadoop controls faults by processing of replica creation. Here, replica creation is like it creates duplicate data. In OS, we usually study like creating mirroring hard disks and all, so that if sometimes data is lost, you can get back the data using that mirroring effect. Similarly, here replica creation, so that under any problems, if the data is lost, you be able to collect the data easily. So fault tolerance. Next, distributed processing. It processes jobs to break down into small jobs. Here, like the task which is very huge is made into pieces so that all the jobs, subtasks, these are distributed over different devices so that this each task is solved by each device. That is easy to complete instead of having high resource system, high end system. You can even work with usual device so that you can complete your tasks. So this is very efficient technique. High availability. Data is highly available due to multiple copies because it replicates. So it creates duplicate copies. So if any system goes down, even then you might get your data back. That is advantage over there. Easy to use. Yes, Hadoop is easy to use since developers need not worry about any of the processing because we have many Hadoop supporting technologies like Hadoop society is very big, so ecosystem Hadoop ecosystem is very big, so that all the members in this they develop different tools which will be available frequently. At present, what the tools we have is Hive, Pig, Spark, HBase, Hot. All these we have many. Similarly, next one is like flexibility. Yeah, Hadoop is very flexible because it deals with all kinds of data, structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. So this is flexible. Scalability. Hadoop is an open source platform, makes it extremely scalable. Machines or nodes can be increased or decreased because it is working on a distributed technique. There might be some system fail unexpectedly, even that can be recovered, or any other nodes might join. So all this is easy to handle. Data locality. It refers to the ability to move computation close to actual data where it resides on the nodes instead of moving all the data to a certain device. So even data in the network also reduces, the traffic reduces. So this minimizes the network traffic over there. Economic Hadoop is not very expensive. We do not require high-end systems for this. Runs on cluster of commodity hardwares, so which are very less in cost when compared with high-end servers. So using low-cost commodity hardware, it can run. So this is economic. Data reliability. Data is reliably stored on clusters of machines. Replica generation. So machine failure does not affect you. If any one of the node fails, then also can get the data from some other device. So it is reliable. High throughput. Actually, throughput is task or job done per unit time. Because there are many devices, so the throughput is high over here. Minimum network traffic. Yeah, I said you like data is stored on each individual node. So when you have a task, the task it reaches to the node where the data is residing and it executes over there. Final result will be transferred instead of transferring whole data. So here data is very big data. So that's what we have to consider. So all this data is not in the network, means like traffic is reduced, minimum network traffic over there.